Welcome to the Anthropocene Household Project. This kit enables you to join the project as a citizen scientist to work toward making your home and community healthier and safer, particularly for children. First, gather your materials. All you will need to add is a trowel or spoon to scoop soil outside your residence. Everything else is in the kit. You can test 1 or up to 3 faucets in your home. Don't run those faucets for 8 hours. You may want to collect your water samples first thing in the morning. You can flush toilets during this time. Take the A vials and place each one at different indoor faucets. Using the marker, label this side of each vial with the location of your faucet. For example, bathroom or kitchen. If there are more vials than faucets, discard the extra vials. Fill each A vial with water from each faucet you are going to use. The faucet should have been off for 8 hours or more. As soon as each vial is filled, turn off the water. Kay is going to use 2 faucets today. It is okay to only use 1, but you can use as many as 3 different faucets. Fill your A vials first. Choose one of any of the faucets from the previous step. Allow the water to run for 90 seconds. Make sure you have the location marked on the vial. Fill vial B and turn off the water. Using the same faucet you used for the B vial, run the water for 3 minutes. Fill the C vial. Make sure all lids are tightly secured on vials. Place them back in the bag they arrived in and seal the bag. Now we'll collect your soil and dust samples.
There are 2 ways to collect dust for the kits. The first way is to empty either your vacuum cleaner bag or empty a dustpan full of dust that you've collected from your house into the large bag. The second way to collect dust for the kit is to use cotton balls, which is what Kay is using in the video.
Swipe fan blades, vents, or surfaces, making sure each cotton is covered with dust. Put the dusty cotton balls back in the bag they came in and seal securely. Now we will move outside to collect soil. First, take a bit of soil from around the perimeter of your home. This should come from a spot directly under the drip line of your roof. Clear away any mulch or grass on top to get a scoop of soil. Place it in the bag labeled drip line. Next, gather soil the same way from a safe curbside spot and place it in the bag labeled soil from street. Finally, collect soil from the middle of your yard and place it in the bag labeled soil from the yard. Set your booklet and both code stickers aside. Make sure lids on the vials are tight and they are sealed in the small bag. Put them in the box along with your sealed dust and soil samples. Kay didn't use the large bag for a vacuum sample, so she placed all of her collection bags in that. If you used your largest bag for your vacuum or dustpan collection, no worries. Just put the soil and cotton ball bags directly in the box. Fill in the label on the inside of the box. This information will be kept separately from your data at the lab. This is why your box corresponds with the code sticker. Identifying information will be confidential. Place 1 code sticker in your booklet where it is indicated and seal your closed box with the other code sticker. Now you are ready to return your box to the place you received it. They will return your samples to the lab.